YouTube? It's your boy Ty Man back with another update. So earlier last week, well later in last week, I had posted about a Pamm account that I started, and this right here is the Pamm account, and you can actually see the live trades that I'm in. I'm gonna give y'all updates daily to let y'all know how this Pamm account is going, and and how everything is, going on track, and just to keep y'all updated about what's going on to the people who may potentially want to invest into the Pamm. So just to look at the history, like I said, I just started it last week, so it was mainly deposits. So with this Pamm, I haven't made nothing but $54 onto it within the first week, because I didn't start it till about Thursday. But just to show y'all some of the other accounts that I did, like this account. This is actually one of my clients. His balance is 1658, and then if you go to history, and then we just gonna go on the month, because I actually was trading his. I actually started with his on the 9th of this month. So it's going on to a month, but in 3 weeks, I was able to make $958.28 on his $1,000 account. And then you can see he made a withdrawal of $300, and now his balance is still at 1658. Now, I have this particular client on one of my scale options, and by scale options, let me show you what I mean. And let me also show you another one of my clients' accounts. I'll show you this guy as well. He actually just now made a deposit today. As y'all can see, he just put the funds back in there today. But if you want to look at the month, I started on his on the 6th, and then about the same thing, he was able to make $984. Now, let me stop this share, because that was the only way I would be able to share my screen. Now, with this scale option, he actually put in $1,000, and then he was supposed to withdraw 150 once he had reached 1,500, but we ended up doing that in the middle of the week, and then I kept trading, and then he actually withdrew $300 along with the other client. So now we're on our way to step 2. They're gonna have, once they reach 2025, they're gonna withdraw 202, and then so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, once we start getting up to step 10, step 11, these withdrawals kind of start getting crazy, right? I'm telling you, man. I'm about to show y'all this, and we're gonna be able to go step by step by step. And also, I'm gonna show you the MYFXBOOks, so that way you'll actually be able to see these accounts don't really be going in much drawdown at all, guys. So once I click on portfolio, as you can see right here, the highest drawdown was at 6% on those two accounts, right? And as you can see, 95% gain. His did say 98% gain, but because he made that deposit, let me show y'all what I mean. See, because now it's saying that his total deposits is $1,950, but originally he had only put in $1,000, and as you can see right here, is at a 98% gain, with the highest drawdown reaching 6%, which would be $60 on a $1,000 account. So I mean, that's awesome drawdown. That's almost no drawdown at all. And then on my Pamm account, as y'all can see right here, we only made about 5%, and we started on this on the 19th. So like I said, this is just in the early stages, and I'm gonna document it daily, bring y'all a video daily to show y'all, and make sure that y'all like and subscribe to my channel so y'all can stay updated with this Pamm growth. And see y'all in the next video, which will be tomorrow, and I'm gonna show y'all how these trades played out. If they hit take profit, if we're in drawdown. But see y'all tomorrow.